Welcome to the Campus Code podcast, Sarah. It
Thank
was
you.
inspiring to see you on Shark Tank India, and today
Thank
we
you.
will know little about your background.
Okay.
So, my first question would be how dots connected to music and why music?
Right. Okay. So first of all, thank you for having me, Mayank. Very excited to talk to you. Uh, Music is something that I've always been passionate about. Right. From the age of 2 to 3 years, actually, I was singing and performing music. My mom is also a singer, and I think it was very much encouraged in our house. Arts, music, painting, and all those things. So it was always there in me. I was always singing. So any child now who loves music, the parents automatically put them in music class, right? So my story starts there. And whichever music class I went, I did not like it. After some time, I was dropping out. In my first music class, I had piano class, or इसमें like I was getting hit on my knuckles because my posture was not correct, like that. So it was always like I was very discouraged in the class. And music is that subject. It is like the only subject which actually activates both sides of your brain. Like it improves your intelligence, like cognitive development hai. Or it's also improving your motor skills, creativity, so many things. Like for kids and all, the benefit is huge. So that's the whole idea behind what I always felt from when I was a kid, that it's such an amazing fun subject. Like music सबके लाइफ में है. और every day, actually, you don't even realize every day you're listening to music. So there has to be a fun, better way to teach. So that was always there in my head from when I was a child, imagine. So that's how my whole idea of music, was why I got into music. But it came after a long journey. So I myself, like the typical Indian child, I went for engineering or medicine. That was only choice, so I went engineering. Then I got into jobs. I was in corporate banking. Uske baad MBA kiya. And then after that, only then I thought, okay, this is my chance. Let me see if I can get into music. Those time I got into a music company. I actually launched their business for them in South India. So I was based out of Bangalore, and I launched their business for them in South. And that's how I got into music. And even that time when I got into music, I felt abhi bhi utna, like development nahi hua. Like it's not been progressed to that level which I expected. So that's where I saw the gap. And then I decided to start something in my line. So that's how my journey has been, starting music, Pandit.
तो बचपन में था आपको कि स्टार्टअप करना है या उस टाइम में से ये था कि कॉर्पोरेट जॉब लेनी है इंजीनियरिंग के बाद एमबीए के बाद?
No, I think I always had this thing that I want to do my business. I want to be the founder. I want to start something. It's always there. Maybe because my background is also, my family is in business. So, that was also encouraged. Think independently, build something of your own, that kind of thing, mentality was always there. So me, my brother, my sister, everybody is like that.
तो कहाँ से सीखा स्टार्टअप करना, बिजनेस करना?
Actually, वो थोड़ा सा idea actually came from my father. Like he always, like, because the encouragement was there. और मेरा पहला जॉब इंजीनियरिंग के बाद, आई वाज एक्चुअली, मेरे हाथ में लाइक दो ऑफर लेटर था. ओके.
हम्म,
वन वाज फ्रॉम विप्रो. लाइक कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में विप्रो का एक जॉब मिला. और आई वाज आल्सो जस्ट ट्राइंग माय ओन लक. तो आई गॉट अ स्टार्टअप जॉब. Startup,
हम्म,
it was in a tech services.
हम्म,
And I had both these offers, and I remember thinking, and I asked my dad also, I'm leaning towards joining this startup. They are nobody, they are just starting, but I feel like I will learn a lot.
हम्म,
And at that time, I was getting some 17,000 was the offer from the startup, and 25,000 was the offer from Wipro. Though, at
हम्म,
that age, first job, you want, the big job, big company. But still, I was like, but the experience I will get here can't be matched. And my
हम्म,
interview was also in one coffee day. It was very totally, like, it was a very different experience. And that's when I thought I must try the startup. Like, what can I lose? It's my first job only, right?
हम्म,
And my dad also was very encouraging. He said, it's
हम्म,
okay, you will learn. Whatever happens, you will learn there. You go. we will support you. And that's how I went to that startup. And usme, like, I learned a lot, right from how to register the company, who to hire first, how do you start selling,
mm,
what do you which what like what modes do you try to sell, how do you focus and find your target audience. And
mm,
you won't believe, abhi tak I'm very close to the owner of that company, my first boss. We're still in
mm,
touch, we still meet, he still guides me today also.
ऑसम। तो फिर ये आइडिया कैसे आया कि म्यूजिक एंड बिजनेस को कंबाइन कर सकते हैं हम, एंड और फिर एग्जीक्यूशन कैसे स्टार्ट किया, कब
हाँ,
स्टार्ट किया?
ओके, तो मैंने बोला आपको कि आई स्टार्टेड इन अ म्यूजिक कंपनी, राइट? तो
हम्म,
they also had a business of music. They were in the music business for many years, and they were also starting around music education. So उस
हम्म,
time में I saw that's when I saw the gap, right? There is so much opportunity to make it much more interesting and focused on the type of people you teach, how to teach them. Like,
हम्म,
if I had a teacher, I always remember I had a teacher in sixth standard who, even till today, I will say he was my favorite teacher. He used to teach me maths. Before that, I
हम्म,
was actually scared of maths. Every
हम्म,
child goes through those phases, no? And my
या
sixth standard teacher, I still remember Mr. Jafar. He
हम्म,
used to make maths so much fun because he used
हम्म,
to teach from beyond the syllabus. He used to tell us about Aryabhatta, how zero was invented, all this kind of things. And he said
हम्म,
that, I'm going to have quizzes every Friday, and we will
हम्म,
make teams and you will have competitions. So imagine
हम्म,
600 may, like, those children, that is the excitement on Fridays. It was like that in our class. So I used to always think about him, and I used to think, if he can make maths interesting, which is such a logical, like very fixed subject, why
हम्म,
can't I make music interesting? तो वही
हम्म,
था मेरे मन में, और that's how the idea. And I met a person who I was working with in that company, and both of us decided together to start another music company. And
हम्म,
that's where we both worked on the method of teaching.
हम्म,
So it was all about, like, if I'm going to teach you a topic, what is your age group? How can I make it as simple as possible and as fun as possible? So that is how we started, and our whole methodology, actually, it was accepted very well. We had a very we had a very mixed like a, how do I explain this? So it was like a breakup of a class. For example, we would have 5 minutes of a warm up exercise. Then we would introduce or review what happened in the last class. Then we would have a introduction of a new concept. Then we might play a game, you know so like
हम्म,
that. So for example, I'll just show you one activity that we do with kids when they first join. Okay, so this
okay,
is how to create. So music has only two major parts. One is rhythm and one is pitch. Hindi में बोलते हैं तो ताल और श्रुति, right? This is the split. So we'll do a small rhythm exercise. Okay, Mayank, you're going to join me. ठीक है?
या श्योर, श्योर,
You can make sounds with your body. Okay, that's it. We are going to make a rhythm with our body. And we are just going to do, so for example, you can do clap, snap, right? Thump. आपके सामने एक टेबल है,
हम्म,
हाँ, तो टेबल में भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं, ठीक
या
है? Just these
हम्म,
four, okay?
हम्म,
We are going to do, first one we will do is 1, 2, 3, 4.
हम्म,
Okay, so let's
ओके,
try. Okay, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah,
ओके,
it's okay. One more time. Let's try. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Table. Ha. Okay.
या
Let's do it again. And we'll do it continuously 2, 3 times. Okay. One,
या
two, three, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. See how fun it is. Even you are laughing.
या
तो हम ऐसे सिखाते हैं, तो we have all kinds of activities, even with foot and all. You can make sound, you can jump, you can stamp your foot, so imagine how active and how excited children will get. They get fully involved.
या।
तो दिस इज स्मॉल एक्टिविटी लाइक व्हेन वी फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद देम। तो ऐसे हमारे पास लॉट्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेस है, गेम्स है, कॉन्सेप्ट्स है, एंड एवरीथिंग वी टीच ना, वी बिल्ड एन एक्टिविटी अराउंड इट टू मेक इट अ इंटरैक्टिव एक्टिविटी. And people
या।
don't think about these things, but music can be done like this. So we will play a track, and then imagine the beat with that, and along with the beat you are clapping, snapping, chest bump, table bang, like that.
या।
So ऐसे interactive बनाते हैं. It's really really fun.
या। सो बच्चे तो एंजॉय करते होंगे, ऑब्वियस बात है। बट हाँ, एक ये कि मोटिव क्या है बच्चों को, मतलब एक फ्यूचर में क्या देना क्या चाहते हो बच्चों को?
ओके, तो हमारे एक्चुअली दो मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं. ओके, वन इज बिकॉज फर्स्ट थिंग आई टेल यू विच इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. म्यूजिक मैंने बोला एक it's the only subject in the world that
हुँ,
activates both sides of your brain simultaneously, right? And because of that, the benefit that it gives, right, it makes a person more intelligent. Actually, it's there is reports that show that because क्योंकि दोनों साइड एक्टिव होता है, उसका नर्व एंडिंग्स दे गेट क्रॉस वायर्ड एंड दे आर ऑल एक्टिवेटेड. If you play a musical instrument for some time, it is almost equivalent to a full body workout
हुँ,
for your brain.
या,
So just imagine that's like a person who is regularly putting their brain in a gym. So if you are a person who goes to gym regularly, you know what your body can do much more than a regular person. Woi music, that's what music does.
ट्रेन्स द ब्रेन।
Exactly. So now, when it gives so much impact to the brain, somebody will become there are a lot of cross wiring. So you get more creative, you get more empathetic. You build skills like because of performance, you build skills like confidence, discipline, because of practice. All these things come. The children not only are learning music and becoming good at that, they are actually building life skills along with it.
या।
वो है इसके एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. एंड स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेट
हुँ,
आप भी करते होंगे, हाँ? यू मस्ट बी लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक टू डी स्ट्रेस after work or after college. It's exactly that, and everybody needs it in their life. We don't even realize it because it's normal, right?
हुँ,
It's just a regular thing, but actually if you could play an instrument and if you could sing or something, you will you'll be so happy because it makes you happy.
या।
Yeah, so
सो
that's exactly the benefits, huh?
एज़ वी सी, सपोज़ एक गाना होता है तो उसके काइंड ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं, एंड
हाँ.
म्यूज़िक प्रोडक्शन आजकल सॉफ्टवेयर्स में भी होता है। प्लस द थर्ड पार्ट इज़ वोकल्स। तो
हुँ.
आप क्या सिखाते हैं बच्चों को, लाइक एंड
हाँ.
व्हाट्स द मेन थिंग? लाइक शार्क
हाँ.
टैंक में मैंने देखा कि बच्चे गा भी रहे थे, दे वर
हाँ.
प्लेइंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आल्सो, एंड द
करेक्ट.
बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक वाज आल्सो देयर। सो
यस.
व्हाट यू टीच?
तो हम अभी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स सिखाते हैं और वोकल्स भी सिखाते हैं. हमारे पास एक्चुअली 8 डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. ओके, हम हिंदुस्तानी वोकल्स, कर्नाटिक वोकल्स, वेस्टर्न वोकल्स, गिटार, पियानो, अ, उकुलेले, कीबोर्ड, ये सब सिखाते हैं. और एक हमारे बस इंट्रोडक्टरी प्रोग्राम है छोटे बच्चे के लिए. वो हमारा फर्स्ट नोट प्रोग्राम बुलाते हैं.
ओके।
Yeah. So
तो
we,
इज़
we
इट
teach a whole range of subjects. We start from the age of around 5.5 years.
या तो बच्चे के लिए ऑप्शनल होता है या फिर बच्चा एक कोर्स में एनरोल करता है एंड उसको 8 के 8 सब्जेक्ट सिखाए जाते हैं?
हाँ, तो बच्चे एक्चुअली 1 या 2 सब्जेक्ट्स चूज़ कर सकते हैं. नॉर्मली एक सब्जेक्ट से फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल वो कर्नाटिक वोकल्स चूज़ करते हैं, तो वो स्ट्रीम में जाएँगे और वो एक्चुअली बिगिनर लेवल में स्टार्ट करते हैं और एवरी 6 मंथ्स दे मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेज. तो
ओके।
वैसा होता है हमारा प्रोग्रेस. सो 1 साल में 2 लेवल्स कर सकते हैं. एंड दे विल गेट लाइक दे विल गेट अ कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट आल्सो. अभी हमारे पास तो एक्रेडिटेशन भी है. तो हमारे वेस्टर्न और इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के लाइन के लिए हम यूके गवर्नमेंट का सर्टिफिकेशन देते हैं.
ओके।
या
तो ये एक एक सब्जेक्ट के 2 लेवल्स कर सकता है बच्चा 1 साल में,
1
ऐसा?
साल में, हाँ.
या बट इफ यू से कि जैसे कि हमने शार्क टैंक में देखा,
हुँ.
आप ऑनलाइन पढ़ा रहे हैं,
करेक्ट,
और आपने पहले ऑफलाइन स्टार्ट किया था, राइट?
करेक्ट, करेक्ट.
तो ये क्यों लाइक ऑनलाइन में, जैसे कि हमने उन्होंने भी पूछा कि डिफिकल्टीज और ऑब्वियसली आती होंगी, आई थिंक डिफिकल्टीज कुछ
हाँ,
चैलेंजेस फेस करते हो?
correct. So I think the biggest difficulty in online is breaking the myth. That is the truth. ठीक है. और
हम्म,
हमें वो एक्सपीरियंस, वो फिजिकल स्टेज के स्टेज में परफॉर्मेंस करने का वो एक्सपीरियंस वी कान गिव, बिकॉज इट्स ऑनलाइन. But the teaching part, I promise you, the way we teach, you just saw one small activity which we do. We do this in the classroom with the students, right? And I told you the most important thing about teaching is always the pedagogy. It starts with the pedagogy, the methodology of teaching, because you give
हम्म,
crisp, clear instructions, just
हम्म,
like I gave you. Our teachers are all trained to do that. और अच्छे teachers भी होने चाहिए, right? The teachers need to be trained and all those things, but they need to be also good. We check them for, can they handle the children well? Do they understand what are the requirements for small children? Have they experienced that before? Second is, how are they as people? Are they very disciplined people? Are they soft spoken but still firm? Can they handle the children? Are they empathetic towards a child? Will they handle a situation correctly? Suppose somebody, who doesn't want to do the class, somebody's crying, anything can happen with small children. So,
हम्म,
you need to know how to handle these things.
हम्म,
So we check for that when they join us itself. So combination of having the right method of teaching and the right people teaching it, it really works well in our favor.
हम्म,
You know, that's the
बट
main thing. Today, to
बट
add to just to give the gap of that, as I said, physical वो performance gap है. हम actually उस time में ही start किया था सब, जब हम Shark Tank की shooting किया. We did a pilot of a open mic event which we did in Bangalore. अभी हम spread किया है, हम हैदराबाद में किया है, अभी कोच्चि में करने वाला है. तो ऐसा almost every month we are doing different different events.
या बट
हाँ.
हाँ, एक है ना कि बच्चा, जैसे आपने बोला कि दे कैन क्राई, एक एक डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करना ऑनलाइन क्लास में कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है?
I think it is the same as a physical class. It is not, that's what I said. You have to have very, very clear boundaries and you have to have very clear instructions. बच्चे
हम्म,
को ना, the problem lies when it is not clear what is expected from them. And
हम्म,
these children who are coming to our class, maybe
हम्म,
the only time we actually find difficulty is the beginning few classes. क्योंकि हमारा वो, we have to get them into our way of working. अभी हम
हम्म,
ये करेंगे, ये करना है, वो करना है. But the thing is, because it's an interactive class, it's not like a lecture.
हम्म,
कि only the teacher is speaking and telling you, you have to do this, you have to do that. No. The children
हम्म,
also get a chance to do. तो एक दो क्लास के बाद टीचर बोलेंगे, हम आज, you are going to do the, one of you is going to lead the warm up exercise in class today. So the children will take over,
हम्म,
and they can only do it if they actually know it. So
या
it's a double check for us also. And the kids also get very excited. Oh, I can be the teacher today. I can teach this
हम्म,
exercise. So that is the way we do things. We involve them very much. And that has given us a lot of results.
या शार्क टैंक पे कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
Huh? Sorry?
शार्क टैंक पे कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
Okay, so Shark Tank me actually, overall it was good. I think एक दो चीज था. Actually, first is I think they were very fixed about the mentality that it cannot be done online. But today there are so many people doing it online, right? And parents are also very excited to do it online. So I feel like that gap was there. They were not convinced that they could do it online. Second is I also struggle a little bit with Hindi. I'm from South, so maybe there's some loss in translation. I was not able to convey properly like what are the real benefits that Music Pandit like company can give. So I feel that that gap was there. uh, However, they found what we are doing very effective. उसमें तो कुछ डाउट ही नहीं था. Like, the kids were trained within 6 days. We trained and they performed in Shark Tank, and all of it, the training was online. So that is something that I cannot fake it. It's a real thing that happened because we are online school. वो 15 बच्चे full पूरे इंडिया से आया था.
हुँ,
So that was our, for me, that was the main testament. So overall, I think I'm very happy. Even though we didn't get an offer and they felt like we've invested a lot of money. The only
हुँ,
thing I wish they had shown is also our progress. You know,
हुँ,
uh, हमने ऑपरेशंस 22 में किया था। 22, आई मीन आवर रेवेन्यूज एंड आवर ग्रोथ हैज बीन रियली गुड। तो नंबर्स रियली स्पीक फॉर देमसेल्व्स, सो आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट दैट।
बट या दे डाउटेड अबाउट उनको जो डाउट हुआ दैट वाज ऑन द इन्वेस्टमेंट, अ ह्यूज इन्वेस्टमेंट
करेक्ट,
व्हिच यू हैव डन।
करेक्ट। सो
एनीथिंग यू
एक्चुअली,
वांट
हाँ, I can
लाइक
talk about that. So, actually, let me tell you. So, initially, the investment which happened was because we were doing a different model. हमने पहले प्री-रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस लिटिल ओल्डर चिल्ड्रन एंड एडल्ट्स के लिए स्टार्ट किया था। उस टाइम में एक इन्वेस्टमेंट था। हमने थोड़ा सा पिवट किया बिकॉज वी फेल्ट दैट दैट्स नॉट द मॉडल दैट वी हैव द एक्सपर्टीज इन, एंड वी वांटेड टू focus on a repeatable subscription model, which we felt this was better. So that's why that initial investment went. They didn't show all that on Shark Tank. Second is the second part of the investment has been over like 3 years, almost 2.5 years. And ye 2.5 years mein actually we have also made a lot of revenue. So we have first, our that first year we were at just beginning was 30 lakhs. Then we were at almost 1 crore. अभी हम 2.5 crores cross कर रहे हैं. So that is something they didn't show. So we have also made our own journey and we have done quite well. We are breaking even, and we are set to make 6 crores next year. So I think that's a great journey for us also.
बट या स्टार्टिंग में जैसे स्टार्टअप, जैसे किसी को भी स्टार्टअप करना है अगर,
Hmm.
जैसे मैं हूँ, आई एम स्टार्टअप एंथुसियास्ट, मुझे स्टार्टअप करना, तो हाँ मुझे एक हर किसी को डर होता है कि यार मतलब घर
Hmm.
वालों के पैसे लगवा दिए,
Correct.
वी हैवंट, वी डोंट वांट टू बर्न सो मच, या तो इन्वेस्टमेंट मिल
I
जाए मतलब
understand. Correct.
वो
So
वो
I-
करे
I'll tell
क्या है?
you, I'll tell you why, Mayank. तो हमने पहले, I told you ना, पहले मैंने एक म्यूजिक स्कूल किया था। हमने विद इन 6 months we broke even there. So we knew what we were doing. Our model was working. So when we were going to revamp and do this, we knew that we are going to make it good, but we wanted to make it good in a proper way. Like we knew we are going to go in a school model. We need a support team. हमारा actually biggest cost salaries है. इतने लोग हैं हमारे पास, but the quality is you cannot compare to anywhere else. हमारे पास टीचर्स है, from all the top academies, so called top academies in India, but all of them will tell you they've never seen a program like ours. The interaction level, the how the kids buy into it. I mean, our numbers really, 75% of retention is huge in the online world. And in online music education, though, people are shocked that we are able to keep those numbers. So that is very important for us. And we are measuring this every single day. Every month end we know what is our CAC, we know what is our, so when we went ahead to do this level of investment, I mean the people who are invested in us also understand our capabilities. They knew what we are building, they knew what the money is going to go towards. So I will always tell people that, see, this version of Music Pandit came after a lot of experience. हमने ऑलरेडी 10 साल पहले म्यूजिक एजुकेशन और म्यूजिक बिजनेस में ही था। तो हमें पता है कि क्या क्या करना है, लाइक इन्वेस्टमेंट किधर जा रहा है, और लाइक सो वी ऑलरेडी हैड दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग एक्सपीरियंस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दीस पीपल हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन इट. इट्स नॉट लाइक दे हैव आल्सो जस्ट पुट देयर मनी ना, दे आर नॉट स्टूपिड. So that's the point. I think that is where that gap came in Shark Tank. वो they didn't explain all these things कि मेरा background क्या था, मैंने क्या किया, इसीलिए हम इतना investment किया. But I agree with them that when you are starting something for the first time, you know it is always important to get enough traction, people buying into you before you raise a big amount. I agree with that completely. हमने पहले वर्जन ऑफ हमारा म्यूजिक बिजनेस में किया था. We started very small, and we had very good number of students, and at our peak we had more than 300 students coming to one particular location. वैसा था. And we were profitable there. So that is what prompted us to go for this. And when we were creating this, there was a lot of different issues, so we had to get those investment to make it happen, and we knew it. So if you see our projections also, our investors know the projections. They knew it well in advance. For 3 years they knew it, what is expected.
या ऑफलाइन से ऑनलाइन ट्रांजिशन करते हुए कुछ चैलेंजेस फेस हुए?
हाँ, डेफ़िनेटली। यू नो बिगेस्ट आई थिंक चैलेंज कि हम टेक्निकल पीपल नहीं थे। तो टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स में सॉफ्टवेयर यू नो आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेयर द बिगेस्ट इश्यू वाज़ फॉर अस। क्लास में एक्चुअली हम बहुत जल्दी अडैप्ट हो गया, लाइक हमारा क्लास डिलिवरी, मेथोडोलॉजी एंड ऑल दैट। But technology wise, I think we have struggled and we are still struggling. So hopefully we will get there. I think this year is our year to sort out the technology bit. But yeah, that was mainly our struggle.
लाइक कहाँ स्ट्रगल करते हो टेक्नोलॉजी में, लाइक कैन वी नो?
Because see, I'm not from a technical background, right? So we have to depend on have an outside support system for that. तो उनका limitations हमें पता नहीं, तो हम बोलेंगे कि हमें ये फीचर चाहिए, तो दे बी लाइक नहीं, ये आपका आप इसमें किया है, नोड जेएस में किया है, इसका limitations ये है वो है, तो we don't know a lot of those things. That is where the gap is. I think today we can't have a technology expert in house, but we will have. So we will solve for that problem also. It's just that today we can't afford to solve for that problem because I want a senior person who really understands the technology out there. और अभी हम AI में also integration कर रहे हैं. तो AI के limitations क्या है? अभी again tech teams are telling us the AI इसमें कर सकते हैं, उसमें नहीं कर सकते, ये वो. तो वो understanding, like we also have to do a lot of reading. We have to talk to a lot of people to understand and learn all these things. That's another gap.
या
Yeah.
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एआई। जैसे कि बात की आप, तो
हाँ.
आई माई सेल्फ ट्राइड लॉट ऑफ एआई सॉन्ग मेकिंग, लाइक सुनो इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर आई थिंक,
Okay.
राइट? हैव यू
Yeah, it's a really good thing to try your hand, but I think if you don't understand the basics of music, song creation is not that easy.
tried?
Like how do you know what kind of combinations will work well,
या आई डोंट
correct?
नो बिकॉज़
Yeah, exactly.
फ्रॉम
हाँ, तो आपको तो सम बेसिक सॉन्ग्स बना सकते हैं डेफिनेटली, एंड लाइक फॉर एन एमेच्योर इट्स रियली फन, इट्स गिमिकी, यू कैन प्ले, यू कैन क्रिएट अ सॉन्ग फॉर योर फ्रेंड्स बर्थडे, वो सब अच्छा है। बट लाइक आई थिंक एज अ सीरियस म्यूजिशियन इफ यू वांट टू रिलीज ट्रैक्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर विल बी प्लेजरिज्म इश्यूज उसमें। तो दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग, एंड सेकंड थिंग इज आई थिंक इफ यू हैव टू ट्राई एंड क्रिएट समथिंग सो यूनिक and your style, you will still have to learn to be even the prompts which you use, you will have to know more to prompt those things. वही है gap.
या डू यू थिंक इफेक्ट होगा कुछ इन एप्स का, इन वेबसाइट्स का म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री पे इन फ्यूचर?
In future, okay, so in future there are a lot of things gonna come. So first is like मैंने आपको बोला already, pitch and rhythm, वो डिटेक्शन के लिए ऑलरेडी आ रहे हैं, अभी है मार्केट में, and we have also incorporated things. Next is about even I think there's going to be future of digital instruments. We have also already created some digital instruments, so हमारे students actually, before they buy an instrument, they can actually play around with the app, and get a feel for instrument. So wo bhi, that's the future, and that's also going to develop in a big way. And AI part. So AI part, I think there are a lot of things like AI will detect all of these things, pitch and all those things, how the performance is. It'll be able to grade music. It will be able to, I think, engagement. हमारे like हिसाब से, like education part, it's like the engagement of students. तो वो क्या कर रहे हैं, कब कर रहे हैं, वो like are they on the same screen, are they speaking, are they interacting with the teacher, are they answering questions, are they writing the right answers, वो सब detect कर सकते हैं, and it's going to go beyond even their mood. हमने एक सॉन्ग इंट्रोड्यूस किया, उनका मूड क्या था, डिड दे लाइक द सॉन्ग, और हमने कुछ एक्सरसाइज किया, डिड दे लाइक द एक्सरसाइज, वर दे एंगेज विद इट, वो सब कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट्स गोइंग टू बी द फ्यूचर, इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी पर्सनलाइज्ड।
या तो जैसे बच्चे सीखते हैं, तो हैव दे मेड एनी, कोई कोई म्यूजिक रिलीज किया है आपने बच्चों
हाँ,
ऑफिस?
हाँ, हम एक्चुअली वी हैव रिलीज़ लॉट ऑफ म्यूज़िक, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में देख सकते हैं। म्यूज़िक पंडित स्कूल चैनल, प्लीज़ हैव अ लुक। लॉट ऑफ परफॉर्मेंसेस बाय स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे टीचर्स के परफॉर्मेंसेस भी हैं, जुगलबंदीज़ है, और अभी हमारा वो शार्क टैंक सॉन्ग भी हम वापस रिक्रिएट करने वाले हैं, बिकॉज नाउ दैट इज बीन एड। तो या लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन द वर्क्स। एक्चुअली हम एवरी वीक हम म्यूजिक रिलीज करते हैं, ओरिजिनल्स में भी वंस और ट्वाइस इन अ मंथ।
हुँ।
हाँ।
अच्छा,
एंड वी
म्यूज़िक
टीच
मत
सॉन्ग राइटिंग। हाँ, हम सॉन्ग राइटिंग भी सिखाते हैं, हम कंपोजिशन भी सिखाते हैं, म्यूजिक कंपोजिशन। तो एंड ऑल आवर स्टूडेंट्स आर यूजिंग दैट, तो यू विल हैव लॉट ऑफ रिलीजेस फ्रॉम अस।
या सो एंड हाउ डू यू चूज़ द लैंग्वेज लाइक कौन-सी लैंग्वेज में लिखना है, कौन-सी लिखना सिखाना है कौन-सी लैंग्वेज में?
सी हम एक्चुअली बेसिकली द कॉन्सेप्ट सिखाते हैं, राइट?
हुँ,
इट कैन बी अप्लाइड इन एनी लैंग्वेज विच यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद। आज के बच्चे, दोज हु आर स्टडिंग विद आर मेनली कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश एंड सेकेंडली हिंदी, some South Indian languages as well. So what we tell them is, you understand the concept. आपको किसी भी लैंग्वेज में लाइक
हुँ,
कर सकते हैं। इवन सॉन्ग राइटिंग इज, इट्स अबाउट हाउ यू फील, हाउ यू कैन राइट इट इन द लैंग्वेज यू आर कंफर्टेबल।
हुँ,
So that's how our approach is. Even in our Hindustani classes, children might like bring up things in Hindi, and the teacher can explain it to them. There's no problem.
या
तो वही भी हम भी बताते हैं कि इट इज ऑल अबाउट व्हाट यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद, लर्न द कॉन्सेप्ट बस।
कैन यू टेल अस लाइक सॉन्ग राइटिंग कैसे होती है एंड एक हिट सॉन्ग की कंपोज़िशन कैसे बना सकते हैं?
Wow. That's putting me on the spot. Okay. So the easiest formula to make a song is, there are parts of a song. Okay. First is you have to decide the concept, right?
हुँ,
First you will decide a concept, put a working
हुँ,
title for the song.
हुँ,
Then you will create the structure of the song. Song structure, normally there is verse, there
हुँ,
is a, maybe there is a pre-chorus and a chorus. Then
हुँ,
there is, again there'll be a verse. Again there
हुँ,
might be a pre-chorus, chorus. There will be a bridge,
हुँ,
and then there will be a again a chorus.
हुँ,
That's the general structure. To give you an idea, the verses are all about your story of the song. Okay? So you will be talking about, I don't know. Let's take a example of, you know it's like the story of my day, for example. Okay? So I get up in the morning and I go to, uh, I splash cold water on my face. Like, you
हुँ,
have to be very descriptive, so they can feel it. Like,
हुँ,
you maybe like your story. You wake up and then you're trying to get into the day, and you go and you splash cold water. That's when you really wake up and you look out of the window and you see the blue skies and the birds and you can hear them chirping. तो अभी मैंने एक mood set किया, right? So it's like that. That's the story part. And the pre-chorus is like, it will be something that you're repeating again and again throughout your day. So you'll be saying, "Oh, I feel so happy today," like with the birds flying high, and it keeps me so excited, and I look forward to waking up like this every day. Aisa kuch. And then you will continue your story in the second verse, and the
हुँ,
bridge might be something different that is happening. So, you could say that. Uh, this is something that I wish everybody felt. How do I give this to my best friend? Something different, but it is still related. समझ गया ना?
हुँ,
So
हुँ,
then, and then you'll be like, I want to pay it forward to the next person I see, so that they are
हुँ,
as happy as me, something like that.
हुँ, हुँ।
You'll rhyme and this and that, and then finally again that chorus you'll finish like that. So that's basically how songwriting is approached. There's a very simple version which I'm telling you. There are much more deep things you can do, but for kids we try to get them started like this. So we'll say you write 4 lines about one topic, and we'll encourage them how to do rhyming and all those things. So many of our students have written songs and create recreated those songs also, in music, with music. हाँ.
सॉन्ग राइटिंग जैसे हो गई, जैसे सपोज़ मैं हूँ, मैंने सॉन्ग लिख लिया, हाउ हाउ डज़ कंपोज़िशंस वर्क? लाइक
हाँ. Okay, so compositions, that's where you have to understand, you have to learn the theory of music. That's what I told you. One
हुँ,
is, you can today, there are song generators, आपको ये lyrics लेके उसमें plug कर सकते हैं और song will happen. But if
हुँ,
you have understand like the theory of music, so then you will know what kind of like every type of thing. Like हिंदी में लाइक हिंदुस्तानी में राग्स होते हैं, राइट? बेसिकली इट्स लाइक they're different, like what we call them is they are a family of notes that sound in a particular way, but they sound good together. ठीक है? So in Western, there is something similarly. We have something called scales, and we do compositions with scales. So there is one which is like sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, right? That is your major scale. In English, we say do re mi fa sol la ti do, right? So if you're going to use, if it's a happy, song, you will use this as a base, this particular scale, and you will jump notes and you will make it sound happy because this is a very happy sounding scale. समझ गए ना? तो based on that theory you will approach it, and you will put in those. So you say I want it based on this scale. You will use different chords to give the that happy sound based on this scale.
Yeah.
Understood, right?
या कैन वी नो कि जैसे हम ना आई आई लिव इन पंजाब
हाँ,
एंड इन पंजाब द पंजाबी म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री इज वेरी बूमिंग
booming.
एंड इन पंजाब यू विल सी a lyricist, an
हाँ,
aspiring singer in maybe one out of
every,
three houses,
oh
right?
wow, okay.
Yeah. So can you guide a person who wants to become an artist, a singer, or a music producer, maybe?
ठीक है. So they're all different lines, first of all, different streams. But the first thing I would suggest to anybody aspiring to be a musician is please learn the theory of music. Just like आपको engineer बनाना है तो maths सीखना ही है और physics सीखना ही है, right? It's like a non-negotiable. So please learn it. Okay. Second is whatever language that you are going to, build your music in, become good at that language. Like become really, really good at it. How can you use it in the right way to? You have to basically become a storyteller with music, right? That's it's all about that. So those skills you have to learn, and you have to keep on doing it. Today there are a lot of places you can learn from. You can chat gpt hai, you can get the base structure for anything from there and use it as your friend to build it, but you have to do. So learn and start doing. And as you do, you will keep on refining your craft. And today there is YouTube, there is Instagram. You can put out very bare minimum. You can make videos, you can put, audios out there. And there are enough people to support and help you. Like, they'll give you feedback and you'll also start like kind of honing your craft and finding your voice and all those things. Whatever you are passionate about. Say, there are singers who are passionate about like people, like how people feel their emotions. They sing about that or they talk about their story. Like some of the great rappers like Eminem and all hip hop, he started by talking about his life. So maybe that's a great way for you, somebody to approach and be brutally honest. That is what people care and listen up. They don't listen to any general topics. They want real honesty. That's how they connect. So that's my advice. you know
So you said chat GPT से हम theory of music सीख सकते हैं, right?
हाँ, definitely.
Nice. So
Yeah.
everyone can be an artist. It's very easy today.
It is easy today, but how many people have the discipline to learn? Correct.
Yeah.
That is the thing. See, I'll tell you, even today I am learning. And I have done so in the last 10 years, I think I have done at least 10 or 12 courses. As an entrepreneur also, you should never think you're on top of your game. You should learn. Today I'm even learning more and more about ChatGPT.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's very important. Like, see, I consider ChatGPT like my friend who helps me hone certain things. And it gives you a lot of time. It saves a lot of time, right? Because I have so many other tasks to do, like build this, maybe to organize and build a policy, or create a post for my LinkedIn page, or kuch bhi hai. But the thing is, I already know what I want to talk about, so I will write a gist and I will make ChatGPT just refine it, so I don't have to spend the time doing that work, but the voice is mine. So
Yeah.
I always feel like it is a entrepreneur's best friend. And today, if you want to learn pretty much anything under the sun, you can learn it through that. There's so much material out there. YouTube is there. Like there is no excuse today कि I tried but I couldn't learn, क्योंकि
Yeah.
like the information is everywhere, you
Yeah.
know. Yeah, so that's the only thing, and I think everybody should continue learning. So, and I'll just add to that, I just finished a course at the NSR cell in IIM Bangalore, which was a 6-month long incubation program. Music Pandit, we were incubated there. And we just finished the program, and we were one of the 10 out of 180 who got selected. Like 4,000 applicants, 180 selected, and we were one of the 10 who won the grant for
Oh,
that program. Huh. And
awesome. So
yeah,
very
so
congratulations for
thank you
you
so
for that.
much. Thank you, thank you. We just got it like last week, so it's a big, exciting moment for us.
Yeah. तो ये सर अब तक की जर्नी में लाइक यू टुक द ट्रेडिशनल पाथ इंजीनियरिंग की एमबीए की यू
Hmm.
टुक द ट्रेडिशनल पाथ लाइक अदर स्टूडेंट्स टू उसके बाद आपने एक रिस्क लिया
Hmm.
राइट तो
Correct.
कभी ऐसा फील हुआ है कि यार गलत गलत स्टेप लिया ऐसे मोमेंट्स आते हैं
Okay, Mayank, definitely I mean, if you ask me today, yes, I feel like maybe I shouldn't have done engineering, but I want to tell you that, you should not look back and have regrets.
हम्म,
Because the thing is, I think engineering, it's something I didn't particularly enjoy, but my parents guided me and I did not know any better, so I did it. But once I did engineering and MBA, today when I tell somebody, hey, I'm an engineer MBA, they're like, wow, you're an engineer MBA? You must be smart. Yeah, you have done a lot of things. You have studied really hard. So, wo bhi hai, right? So I think whatever you do, you take the best decision with the best knowledge at that time. That's what I believe. You like everybody is like that generally, right? Don't leave your hand like I also chose to go for engineering. So how can I regret it?
yeah
Correct? Yeah. Today, if
yeah
you tell me, yes, you had a chance to redo last 15-20 years, yes, I might not do my engineering. I might go for something else. But wo time pe, wohi tha. So that's, and I'm a person who doesn't generally, I don't look back and feel, I ye wo, because there is a time. The truth is, who has the time to sit and regret and feel sad about the past? Because you have to think about future always, and always, I think you have to try to be positive, you
yeah
know, and whatever problem comes in life, the truth is you can overcome it. That's what the
mhm,
belief has to be there. And if you can overcome it, it will only make you grow and become better. तो मेरा आउटलुक वैसा है. तो I generally don't think about it like that. But I would, what the only thing I can tell you is, like, because you are catering to students, who are at that journey, right? College, उसके बाद क्या? I think it's okay to take a risk. Okay. What is the worst that will happen? You try something, it won't work out, but you will learn something from for sure.
yeah but like uh, any regrets on startup like you had a Wipro job अब तक की स्टार्टअप जर्नी में कुछ ऐसे ऐसा रिग्रेट हुआ है कि यार मुझे तो कॉर्पोरेट जॉब ले लेनी चाहिए थी कभी ऐसे मोमेंट आए
Huh? There
कि
are days.
योर
There are.
वॉइस हैज गॉन
Uh, can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
योर माइक इज नॉट म्यूट बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू
How about now?
नो 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 आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू
Can you hear me now?
नो
No? Still not able to hear.
व्हाट हैपेंड नॉट एबल टू हियर
Should I log back in?
yeah you can leave and join back once yeah
Hello, Mayank. You can hear me?
yeah I can hear you
ठीक है. I think the question you asked me was, have there been any regrets in the startup journey? Do you feel like ये सब छोड़ के corporate job में ही जाना था, right? So definitely yes. There are days I've had where I have come back. I've told my husband, I'm done. I'm going to quit all this, shut shop, and I will go and work in some corporate job somewhere. Yes, because the tough days are really tough days, and you know, like you the thing about entrepreneurship people don't tell you is when you're the leader, when you're the boss, you can't talk about your problems to the juniors, right? कि पैसे की प्रॉब्लम है या ये this operations is not going well or whatever. Overall as a company, your worries and concerns you can't discuss with them. Your job is to motivate your team and make them work well, right, and support them and all that stuff. So bad days are your bad days, good days are everybody's good days. So yeah, so that's the sad truth. And bad days are really tough. But if you have a good support system, like I said, like my dad's a business person, so I talk to him. I talk to my brother who's also running his own company. I talk to my husband who's running his own company. So when I talk to them, then they counsel me, like to and fro. I also give counseling to, my brother or my husband on bad days. So I think if we can support each other, that's very good. And like that's why it's important to have other entrepreneurs in your circle, you know.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, अभी हम वो IIM बैंगलोर का प्रोग्राम किया था अभी. I have so many people I can pick up the phone and call. आज ही like सुबह एक call था, and I was just talking to a friend. She was from the program again, and we had a 1 hour conversation. And after that, she's like, I feel so much better after talking to you. Like, ये problem आपको भी है
Hmm.
वैसा. We are all in the same boat and we are all chugging along together. So it's like it's nice. That is good.
सो स्टार्टअप में पेस इम्पोर्टेंट होती है, लाइक एंड फाउंडर्स आर इम्पेशेंट, वी हैव सीन
Yeah.
एंड आई आल्सो फील दैट थिंग. तो यार, कैन यू शेयर अस सम मिस्टेक्स जो आप नहीं करोगे अगर आपको दोबारा से करना हो?
Okay. I think अभी म्यूजिक पंडित के जर्नी में there are small things which I think we can correct, but I think my journey before that had a lot of learnings. So maybe I can talk about that also.
Hmm.
So my earlier journey, we actually invested in tech. I told you,
Hmm.
that we were not tech savvy,
Hmm.
and we invested in tech that did not work properly.
Hmm.
Like the Android was working, iOS was not working, and it caused a lot of problems for us. And we really tried to get our customers to use those apps. And
Hmm.
there was such a lot of resistance because it was not working properly. There were a lot of glitches and issues and all those things. And I think we lost customers also because of that, because of our hurry to make them use it. So I think that was a learning. Second thing is, I think we because we were doing business for the first time then, hamara, like, terms and conditions, all those things kept on evolving, and customers didn't like it, you know.
Hmm.
So that was a big learning for us, that we should have spent time to understand it before we started, rather than just correcting it like a firefighting.
Yeah.
And that with Music Pandit, we have been very careful with that. All those things were very set and clear in place. Even the tech, we were very clear about what we wanted to do, how we wanted to approach it. We did not want to do anything major immediately without understanding it. So we have been a little more careful with Music Pandit. But I think the learnings are like, see, I wanted to go to US markets last year, but we
Hmm.
couldn't. We just don't have the bandwidth. तो अभी हम म्यूजिक अगले महीने from April we are going to start US process. So there
Hmm.
will be, and I'm sure, a lot of learnings there also. We have tried to get everything in order. We think we have everything in order, but
Hmm.
it has its own challenges. People from there are also, I think, much more exposed. So उनका expectations थोड़ा different हो सकता है. So that's going to be a learning for us. Uh, and lot of small corrections, Mayank, you have to do along the way. Like, when we first started doing Music Pandit, uh, we used to do demo classes when somebody is joining. Like a child is interested, inquiry के बाद हम demo class देते.
हुँ,
Then we realized we can't only do a demo class. That demo class has to have a counseling session for the student and parent also from the teacher side, because teacher, we have to make them understand like why we are putting them in this slot, why they are doing, why it is important for this child to do this level, or
हुँ,
uh, why this exercise we are doing in the class, how the child
हुँ,
is in charge, why is this model of teaching, the
हुँ,
education counseling of the parent. तो उसमें भी investment किया, like that was a learning for us, because the customers who are coming to us are educated customers, they are asking questions, so we
या
have to cater to them. Yes. तो वैसे छोटा 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 adoptions है, we have to do policy changes within the company also, like leave policies, teachers leaving, तो हम अब substitutions देते, we don't cancel classes, we do substitutions, so just,
हुँ,
students get exposure to more than one teacher also.
हुँ,
So those are the things for us, like we have to think about those things. And the teacher and student, maybe you won't get the same teacher, so we have to
हुँ,
explain and make the parent understand. They like a school, when you go to the next level you may not have the same class teacher, you'll have a different class teacher, वही concept है. So it's a little different because we are different from normal music classes. तो
हुँ,
वो education करना पड़ता है. And I think slowly our customers are understanding us also. So we work with them more than what we used to do before. I think more earlier it was like we are saying this is the way the company is, you have to behave like that. It doesn't work. You have to work with your customers. That's been a big learning for us.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि किसी टीचर की वजह से कंपनी का रिव्यू खराब हुआ हो?
Uh, yes,
तो कैसे हैंडल किया उसको?
yes, हुआ. So I think first thing is you have to, as a company, we don't respond, uh, you know, like we don't react. We dig into what happened. और
हुँ,
हमारे mistake है, तो we try to correct that mistake, right? If it is not a mistake, if we say that if the parent has misunderstood something,
हुँ,
then we have somebody senior, either like our vice principal or principal, will talk to them and explain to the parent what has happened. And we try and so we first understand how can we fix the problem for the parent, right? How are they? Maybe sometimes they just angry, I just want to vent, and
हुँ,
ठीक है, like they'll
हुँ,
be done. Sometimes they want some correction. I want a different teacher. या
हुँ,
फिर मुझे कंटिन्यू नहीं करना है, या फिर नहीं मुझे दूसरा क्लास में, आई वांट एन एक्स्ट्रा क्लास फॉर
हुँ,
समथिंग व्हिच हैपेंड, या ऐसा कुछ. सो वी हैव टू फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड देयर प्रॉब्लम, then we try to solve it. And we see, for us it's important, sometimes you can't make everybody happy, correct? So we need to understand sometimes we can make somebody happy, and if it is within our power, we have to help them. And our
हुँ,
approach is that because we are a place, we want children to fall in love with music,
हुँ,
right? So our approach first is that how can we ensure your child does not fall out of love with music. We will do whatever that is to help your child and you, so that the child loves music, they get the benefits of that. So वही है. And it's tough, it is tough sometimes, but today, you know as a company grows, right, these are things that will come up, so you need to have some precautions in place for these things. So as a precaution, what we do is, even for our teachers, we have KPIs. और उन KPIs में है कि so and so issues, if any of these type of issues come up, then there is a penalty for the teacher also. So teachers also have to regulate themselves. We do QCs for all the classes. फिर भी, like we can maybe miss a small thing. It can happen. So that's why we have these things in place. Checks and balances have to be there always, and they always, everybody has to know somebody is watching them. So
हुँ,
our platform is such that anytime any of the admins can pop into the class. कोई भी आ सकता है. So
हुँ,
you know that when the teacher knows that, they are also careful.
हुँ,
And every class is also recorded.
या
तो recording में proof है कि क्या
हुँ,
हुआ. So those are the things that's very important, because these are
बट
small children. Safety is important.
या एंड इवन हैपेंस ना कि कस्टमर तो वो फटाफट जाके ऑनलाइन बैड रिव्यूज़ दे देगा या पोस्ट डाल देता
हाँ,
है। बट
correct.
उसका उसका जो रेपुटेशन पे इफ़ेक्ट होता है, वो काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक होता है, राइट? तो
करेक्ट।
वो इसलिए ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि क्योंकि
हाँ,
इफ़ेक्ट तो होता है।
होता है। और
इन बिज़
कस्टमर्स को एक्चुअली वो उसके बारे में से नहीं सोचते। वो क्यों करते हैं? दे एक्चुअली वांट यू टू हेल्प देम। It is a
हुँ,
cry for help, how I see it, right? If a customer is so angry and upset to go and give a review about you, they actually want you to still solve the problem.
हुँ,
इसीलिए कर रहे हैं. So that's how we approach it. Like, first, let's empathize with the customer, understand what has gone wrong with them. Sometimes,
हुँ,
we have had a situation where I remember the customer was very angry. Actually, there was no problem.
हुँ,
The customer got irritated because of a small thing, and the
हुँ,
child shouted at her about this something, and she just blasted on us, and she went and
हुँ,
gave a bad review. But
हुँ,
actually, when we went out to the thing, we realized that it was a small issue. It was just that she was frustrated that day,
हुँ,
and she gave a bad review. तो उनसे बात किया हमने, थोड़ा बच्चे को भी काउंसिल किया. उसके बाद वो पूरा जाके वो पूरा चेंज किया. Instead of one star, she gave a 4 star. You
yeah,
know, it's about understanding. I think you have to understand your customer's problem and solve it. Ultimately, that's all we are doing as entrepreneurs. Huh? We are
yeah.
solving a problem. So approach it like that. I think we'll get it right.
Well then, Sarah, it was very inspiring talking to you. Learned a lot from you, and
Thank
you
you
are a
so much.
perfect example of someone who has converted her passion into a business, and many other people are not able to do so. So,
Correct.
we've a final message, a final advice for students, for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to convert their passion into profession.
Okay. So if you want to convert your passion into profession, first is you need to get into that stream to understand what are the problems there. कि आपका passion arts में है, okay, paintings, then you need to understand what is the gap there, what are the problems people are facing, and if you can identify that gap, there is an opportunity. Just like I did with music education, I found that opportunity, and we are actually really getting into it. So that is what I think. And see, it is a risk, but it is a risk you have to be willing to take.
Yeah,
It Without risk there is no reward, that to 100%.
yeah. Cool then, Sarah. It was lovely talking to you,
Thank you so
and
much.
thanks a
Yeah,
lot for
thank you
coming.
so much. Thank you so much, Mayank. I know we struggled to get a time and all that, but it was a real pleasure talking to you. You asked some really insightful questions, and I will just the advice that you asked me to give. Actually, I have just one line that I want to say. There is a proverb that says, "Only the man who tries will succeed." Correct? Because
Yeah,
if you don't try, you've already failed. Okay, my dad tells me this almost every other day. So that's something to keep in mind. You have to try. You can fail, but you will learn and you will come back. So that's
yeah.
all it is.
Awesome, Sarah. Thanks a
Okay.
lot for
All right.
and
Thank you so much, Mayank. Take care and good luck to you. And I hope this also becomes something big. And you can maybe this will drive a whole series of entrepreneurship for you as well.
surely. I'm learning a lot. I learned a lot, and thanks a lot.
All right.
See you
Okay.
soon.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care. Stay in touch. Bye bye.